Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about the market prediction of Arthur Hayes, especially in Q1 this year. His advice was to sell earlier than you think. Let's dive in. Well, firstly, FTX European Union acquired by Backpack Exchange, founded by previous FTX and Alameda employees. They plan to offer crypto derivatives, including perpetual futures, throughout the European Union. Wow, it seems like FTX never die. What about Do Kwon of Terra Luna? Elon Musk mentioned a very surprising comment. Biden will offer a pardon to Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX before the end of his term. What? Pardon? It was true. Guess who might get an early pardon from President Biden? The second largest donor to the Democrats was Sam Bankman-Fried. Elon Musk mentioned on X, "I'll be shocked if this doesn't happen." Well, former crypto executive Do Kwon pleads not guilty to U.S. fraud charges, and he extradited to the United States from Montenegro to face charges relating to fraud, resulting in $40 billion in losses. By the way, why a South Korean guy extradited to the United States? I don't get it. He might get some supports and somebody backing in the United States. Who knows? SEC was ordered to file Ripple appeal brief by January 15th. Unless SEC files its opening brief in the Ripple appeal by January 15th, it will be the end of 4-year-long lawsuit between SEC and Ripple, which is good for the price of XRP and beyond. Forbes reported this. Delusional Trump Bitcoin price warning steadily rocks crypto markets. The end of last year and early this year, the crypto market isn't that good. The major media is warning crypto investors, especially on the date, January 20th, which is the inauguration date of Mr. Donald Trump. Financial Times also reported crypto industry dreams of a golden era under Trump. He will make a speech on dozens of topics on Jan 20th, including lighter regulation and wider crypto adoption. I think this will be addressed anyway. Last but not least, this is the most important article. Arthur Hayes predicted crypto market peak in mid-March before severe correction. And this market peak by mid-March will be driven by US dollar liquidity trends. And he emphasized the Fed's reverse repo decline and Treasury actions as pivotal to Bitcoin's price movements. He advised exiting positions like Q1 this year, anticipating tightening liquidity and market corrections in Q2. It's very difficult to explain all those, reverse repo and US Treasury, a general bank account, etc. But in short, liquidity will increase by $612 billion in Q1 this year, according to Arthur Hayes. His advice, in short, was to sell in late Q1 and chill out, waiting for another liquidity increase in Q3 this year. Cycle top comes in Q1 or possibly in Q3, Q4. And I think cycle top could come in Q3, Q4 this year. But here's my question. If cycle top comes in Q4, do we, any person want to experience minus 70% drawdown in Q2, driven by US liquidity crisis? Nobody, I think. April 15th this year, this is the day of US tax payments, which means US investors, including retails and even corporations, they have to sell their stocks, bonds, cryptos before April 15th to pay tax. Cycle top could come as early as Q1 this year. If not, even if it comes later this year, I still think it'll be better for us to sell at least 20 to 30% or even up to 50% or even 100% by the end of Q1. Then, rather than holding most digital assets in huge losses, no way. We might face liquidity crisis in May, June this year in the United States. It's somewhat related to US debt ceiling debate between Republicans and Democrats. Anyway, I cannot see the future clearly. That with it better, check out the Coinbase app ranking, Bitcoin dominance, or DXY, or Crypto Fear Index, or Human Indicators, and so forth. And with it better confirm profits, unlike in the past several cycles. What you think? Thank you for listening.